Living in a shoebox doesn't mean sacrificing style or functionality. These 15 ingenious gadgets prove that small spaces can work harder, smarter, and look better than sprawling apartments. From furniture that transforms on demand to storage solutions hiding in places you never thought possible. We're diving into the tools that make tiny living feel surprisingly luxurious. Number 15. Wall sconces with rechargeable battery. That dark corner near your bed? The one where you stub your toe every night because running an extension cord would look terrible? Battery-powered sconces solve exactly that problem. 5 to 20 hours of adjustable illumination. Dim them to 10% for midnight bathroom trips, or crank them to full brightness when you need task lighting. Magnetic mounts rotate a full 360 degrees, redirecting light wherever it's needed. 4 different installation methods mean renters don't need landlord permission. Rechargeable, movable, and cable-free. Finally, light where you actually need it. Number 14. Keychain Multitool with 16 plus functions. You know that moment when you need a screwdriver and your toolbox is buried under 3 layers of closet chaos. Weighing less than an ounce, a Keychain Multitool packs 16 different functions. Multiple screwdrivers, wrenches, a bottle opener, a wire stripper, and a box cutter. Made from 420 stainless steel and TSA, approved for flights. When space is tight, carrying an entire toolbox becomes absurd. Clip it onto your keys, and you've got a portable solution center for tightening loose cabinet handles, opening packages, or fixing that wobbly shelf bracket without excavating your entire storage system. Number 13. Floating nightstand with charging station. Traditional nightstands eat up precious floor space and create dust-collecting caves underneath. Wall-mounted nightstands change the game entirely. Built-in 18-watt wireless charging, 2 USB ports, and 2 Type-C ports eliminate the cable spaghetti that tangles around conventional bedside tables. Touch-screen surface switches between warm, cool, and natural LED lighting for reading or ambience. A sliding drawer provides hidden storage for items you'd rather not display. Mounting to the wall opens up the floor beneath for cleaning, storage bins, or just making your room feel less cramped. Number 12. Baker's rack with power outlet. Small kitchens force impossible choices. Counter space for prep work or storage for appliances? A baker's rack with a built-in power outlet mounted directly into the frame eliminates that dilemma. Your microwave, coffee maker, and toaster can live on the sturdy shelves while staying plugged in and ready. 4 adjustable mesh shelves adapt to different appliance heights, and the top tier holds spices, oils, or hanging cups via included S-hooks. Rustic brown finish adds character, while the metal and wood construction supports serious weight. 10 additional S-hooks let you hang pans, utensils, or oven mitts on the sides. It's a kitchen command center that uses vertical space instead of stealing your limited countertop. Number 11. Tripod clothes. Drying rack. You just washed a load of laundry and realized you have nowhere to hang it. The dryer costs extra per month, there's no balcony, and draping wet clothes over chairs looks terrible. Tripod-style drying racks unfold into 12 arms that hold 45 pounds of wet laundry, then collapse flat for storage in closets or behind doors. The unique tripod structure stays stable without requiring wall space or sprawling across your floor like traditional racks. Extend only the arms you need based on your laundry load. No tools needed for setup, just unfold and load. When you're done, it folds into a compact bundle that slides into narrow gaps. Perfect for air drying delicate workout gear, or simply avoiding the laundromat when you're down to your last clean shirt. Number 10. Outlet shelf wall holder. Your outlets just sit there doing one job when they could be doing 3. A clever shelf replaces your standard outlet cover and creates a 4.5-inch platform that supports up to 10 pounds. Built-in cable management coils and hides charging cords, while horizontal grooves keep your phone upright as it charges. Detachable bottom hooks hold keys, lanyards, or lightweight accessories. Install it in your bathroom for electric toothbrushes, beside your bed for overnight phone charging, or in the kitchen for tablets displaying recipes. Works with both standard duplex and decorator-style outlets, including plates that fit both. Number 9. Folding desk with storage shelves. Dedicated office space is a luxury most tiny apartments can't afford. Bamboo desks that fold out from sleek cabinets solve exactly that. Work mode, 27.2 inches wide. Closed, just 11.8 inches. 2 built-in storage tiers keep office supplies, notebooks, or tech accessories organized inside the closed cabinet. Natural bamboo finish looks elegant rather than utilitarian, blending with modern or minimalist decor. Reinforced hinges and a stable surface handle laptops, monitors, or paperwork without wobbling. When work's finished, close it up and reclaim your living space. Workspace on demand without the permanent footprint. Number 8. 6-in-1 wireless charging station. Bedside tables accumulate clutter fast. Alarm clock, phone charger, lamp, speaker, and whatever else you think you'll need at 2 a.m. What if one compact device replaced all of it? 15-watt wireless charging handles most phones, while the digital display shows time and temperature with adjustable brightness that won't blind you overnight. Need ambient light? Tap for soft white. Want atmosphere? Switch to RGB colors that pulse with music from the built-in Bluetooth speaker. FM radio includes auto scan with a clear reception antenna. Set it up once, and your entire bedside ecosystem collapses into one minimalist device. Finally, a gadget that consolidates instead of clutters. Number 7. Bamboo underbed storage with wheels. The space under your bed is prime real estate you're probably wasting. Bamboo storage containers on smooth 360-degree wheels slide underneath effortlessly, each supporting up to 120 pounds. At 23.62 inches long and 7.28 inches high, they fit beneath most beds while providing massive storage for seasonal clothes, extra bedding, or shoes. Included dust-proof bags seal your items from moisture and dirt. Here's the clever part. They're stackable. Limited floor space? Stack them in your closet or beside furniture to create customized storage towers. Number 6. Over-the-toilet storage rack. Bathrooms in small apartments often have one glaring issue. The toilet takes up space, but contributes nothing to storage. 4-tier metal racks transform that wasted vertical space into organized storage for towels, toiletries, and cleaning supplies. Every shelf adjusts to different heights, accommodating tall bottles or neatly folded towels. 3 included plastic pads sit on the shelves to prevent small items like jewelry or skincare jars from slipping through gaps. Rust-resistant metal frames withstand humid bathroom environments without deteriorating, and the clean metallic finish works with modern, rustic, or minimalist decor. It doesn't expand your bathroom square footage. It just makes you wonder how you ever lived without using that space. Number 5. Skinny nightstand with charging station. Standard nightstands are bulky. Cramming one beside your bed often means sacrificing walking space or blocking closet access. Slim nightstands, measuring just 11.81 inches wide, deliver full functionality with a 6.5-foot power cord, 2 AC outlets, and 2 USB ports. Elegant curved walnut finish and mid-century design elevate your bedroom aesthetic instead of compromising it. Behind the sliding timbre door, an adjustable shelf conceals books, remotes, or personal items you'd rather keep hidden. A full-floor thickened base with non-slip pads ensures stability despite the narrow profile. Fits snugly beside beds or couches without dominating the room, proving that space-saving furniture doesn't have to look cheap or utilitarian. Number 4. Folding dining table with storage and wheels. Dinner parties seem impossible when your entire apartment barely fits a couch. A transformable table solves that beautifully. Fully extended, it seats 4 to 7 people. Partially folded, it works as a console table. Completely collapsed, it becomes a storage cabinet. Premium swivel casters, 2 with brakes, let you roll it wherever needed, then lock it in place. 2 built-in drawers hold napkins, utensils, or snacks, while the main storage area fits folding chairs or kitchenware. Marble textured top with rounded polished edges looks sophisticated, not makeshift. When guests leave, fold it up and reclaim your floor space. Dining furniture that acknowledges how you actually live. Number 3. Side table with charging station. Phone dying. The tablet needs juice. Laptops at 10%. And you're out of outlets. A compact end table at just 15 inches long comes with a built-in charging setup. One regular outlet, one USB port, and one Type-C port, all connected by a 4.9-foot cord. The two open shelves give you spots for books, remotes, or whatever you need nearby. The particle board meets a metal frame for stability that doesn't shake or wobble. Even on uneven floors, the adjustable feet keep everything level. Nightstand? Sure. Phone table? Absolutely. Snack station or couch side command center? It handles all of it. Number 2. Under sink organizer. Kitchen and bathroom cabinets under sinks are black holes where cleaning supplies vanish into chaos. C-shaped pull-out drawers change everything. 2 sliding tiers with no side barriers mean your hands can grab items without awkward reaching. 3 adjustable heights, 3.4, 14.9, or 16.3 inches. Accommodate tall bottles or compact supplies. Reinforced metal frame with waterproof, rust-proof plastic trays supports 33 pounds total. Install them under kitchen sinks, bathroom vanities, or even as countertop spice racks. Assembly takes 5 minutes solo with the included tools. You get a 2-pack, doubling your organizing power immediately. Finally, that under-sink nightmare becomes a clean, accessible storage system. Number 1. Slim storage cart. 3-tier. Tiny apartments have gaps beside the washer, next to the fridge, and between the toilet and the wall. Dead space you can't furnish traditionally. Rolling carts built for exactly those gaps slide into spaces other furniture can't reach, then roll out on 360-degree wheels when you need access. Just a few inches wide, but 3 tiers deep, removable to create 2 levels if needed. They provide abundant storage with mesh hollow bottoms that prevent water buildup. Side hooks add external storage for towels, utensils, or bags. Use it in bathrooms for toiletries, kitchens for spices, laundry rooms for detergents, or offices for supplies. High-quality plastic construction ensures durability, and tool-free assembly means you'll have it working in minutes. It doesn't take up new space. It rescues space you already have but couldn't use. That's the ultimate small apartment superpower.